Hi all, welcome back to a new video of mdotkcodez. Here we are going to see how to scan stocks which are breaking day highs and lows and stocks near day high and low. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get into the video. Now I scan the stocks in Nifty 50. Okay, first add strategy. Close of 0 means close of last candle, which is higher than today high. Okay, we found 3 stocks. Let's see each of them in detail. Next, we can filter the stocks crossing day low. That means close of 0 is lower than today low. There are 4 stocks satisfying this condition. Now we can check each of them in chart. Next, we are going to scan stocks which are closing day high. This will help us to find the stocks before breakout. Now I am adding condition. Condition is percentage change between day high and close is lower than 0.1 and filter such stocks. Only 3 stocks found, and let us check them in chart. Next, we are going to scan stocks which are closer to day low. This will filter stocks with a percentage change between day low and close is lower than 0.1. Five stocks which may break day low is found. We can check each of them in chart. Okay, that's all. If you haven't created this free scanner yet, please watch the video given in description and create it. Okay, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.